Welcome back. Navjot Singh Sidhu has issued his first reaction after resigning from the post of Punjab Congress president. In his video message released on social media, Sidhu vowed that he will keep fighting for the truth. Sidhu said that his fight has always been issue-based and never about any post or any personal agenda. He also stated that he has no personal rivalry with anybody and that his fight has always been about the welfare of Punjab. Targeting the party leadership over the recent cabinet expansion, Navjot Singh Sidhu has said that a new system cannot be created with tainted leaders and bureaucrats. Sidhu was apparently referring to the inclusion of Rana Gurjeet in the Channi cabinet. The MLA from Kapurthala had resigned from the state ministry in 2018 due to allegations of graft in a sand mining case.
17 साल ਦਾ ਰਾਜਨੀਤਿਕ ਸਫ਼ਰ ਇੱਕ ਮਕਸਦ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀਤਾ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਕਰਨਾ, ਟੂ ਮੇਕ ਅ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਸ ਔਰ ਮੁੱਦਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਰਾਜਨੀਤੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਟੈਂਡ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਖੜਨ। ਇਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਧਰਮ ਸੀ, ਇਹੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਫਰਜ਼ ਸੀ। ਮੇਰੀ ਅੱਜ ਤੱਕ ਕਿਸੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਈ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਕਿੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਨਿੱਜੀ ਲੜਾਈਆਂ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ। मेरी लड़ाई मुद्दों की है, मसलों की है। मैं ना तो हाईकमांड को गुमराह कर सकता तो ना गुमराह होने दे सकता। किसी भी चीज़ की कुर्बानी मैं दूंगा, लेकिन सिद्धांतों पर खड़ूंगा। ये मैनू कुछ सोचने की लोड़ नहीं है। दागी लीडर ते दागी अफसरां दा सिस्टम तां भन्निया सी, दोबारा उन्होंने लिया के उही सिस्टम खड़ा नहीं किया जा सकता। मैं इहदा विरोध करना, मैं ते अड़ू ते लड़ू, जांदा सब कुछ जाए।
The Congress party is now dropping hints that it will not bend over backwards to appease a sulking Navjot Singh Sidhu. After hinting that it's going to leave Chief Minister Channi to deal with the Sidhu challenge, the Congress party has now dispatched Harish Chaudhary as its central observer. In a move to counter Sidhu, Congress is also looking to pick its new president for Punjab. Names of Punjab Congress working president Kuljit Nagra and Ludhiana Congress MP Ravneet Singh Bittu are now doing the rounds as possible replacement for Navjot Singh Sidhu. Chief Minister Channi is going to be addressing a press conference in just about a while from now. An hour from now is what we're picking up, during which he's going to be expected to make some big announcement. Meanwhile, sources say that Congress President Sonia Gandhi has not received Sidhu's resignation letter, even as it has been put out on social media. Congress local leadership is speaking to Sidhu camp at the moment. Captain's Delhi visit in the middle of the resignation of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the Punjab Congress chief has set tongues wagging in the state political circles. All eyes are now on Captain Amrinder Singh's next political move, who had accused the party high command of humiliating him. Amidst the buzz that he may meet the BJP top brass, Captain Amrinder Singh has termed his visit personal. Here is more coming in.
Captain Amrinder Singh, who was humiliated and forced to quit the post of Punjab Chief Minister, is now on a mission. For the first time after he resigned on September 18th, Captain has arrived in Delhi. His sudden visit comes against the backdrop of his bête noire Navjot Singh Sidhu's resignation as the Punjab Congress chief.
मैंने कहा था आदमी अनस्टेबल है और उसने आप ही दिखा दिया कि उसने आज रेजिग्नेशन कर दिया।
Amrinder's visit to the capital has set the tongues wagging in the corridors of power. India Today has learned that MLAs close to Amrinder have urged the former CM to seek floor test. This after some Punjab Congress leaders holding key positions resigned, taking Sidhu's cue. Amrinder is said to be keeping a close watch on the political developments in Punjab. His visit to Delhi has only fanned speculations. Not very long ago, Haryana Home Minister Anil Vij had openly invited Captain to join the BJP.
राष्ट्रवादी अमरिंदर सिंह जो कांग्रेस की इस गंदी साजिश में बाधा थे, उनका राजनीतिक तौर पर कत्ल कर दिया गया। कांग्रेस के ये जो गेम प्लान है, इसको फेल करने के लिए ना केवल अमरिंदर सिंह को, सभी ताकतों को इकट्ठा होकर इनको धाराशायी करना चाहिए।
Anil Vij's remarks came after a sulking captain had made his intentions clear. For the time being, captain is keeping his cards close to his chest. Though he told India Today, he is keeping his options open.
I will take into account all my supporters, whether they are in the parliament or in the assembly or outside in politics, and then I will make up my mind. I never said which party I will be in.
The Congress is hoping all will be well.
कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह साडे मुख्यमंत्री रहे है, चलो मुख्यमंत्री हटन तो बाद जे हुण गए है तो चंगी गल है, कोई ना कोई गल करके आगे पंजाब दे हक दी हित दी करना।
With Navjot Singh Sidhu quitting as Punjab chief, the Congress now has to handle two fronts. It has to ensure both Sidhu and Amrinder fall in line fast.
Navjot Singh Sidhu has enjoyed the strong backing of the Gandhis ever since he was appointed Punjab Congress chief. He received an audience with Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi even as he continued to rain blows on then Chief Minister Amrinder Singh. But the Gandhis are now in a fix. It remains to be seen if the High Command will reach out to Sidhu to placate him. Here is more.
Even when Navjot Singh Sidhu launched the fiercest of attacks on Captain Amrinder Singh, he was sure of one thing: the support of the Gandhis, especially Rahul and Priyanka. As the crisis peaked after June this year, Sidhu was granted an audience with both MP Rahul Gandhi and Party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. But the siblings did not give time to Amrinder, who waited for the call in vain, camped in the national capital. Of the two Gandhis, Priyanka played the role of crisis manager. It is widely believed it was Priyanka's stamp of approval that clinched Punjab Congress President post for Sidhu. The appointment as state party chief evidently did not quench Sidhu's thirst for more. He continued targeting Amrinder Singh, getting his MLAs to write to the party seeking a change in leadership. Sidhu went all guns out against his own party's government over issues like power cuts and drug menace.
ਭਾਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਟੈਰਿਫ ਆਰਡਰ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਕਰੋ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਅਧੀਨ ਫੇਅਰ ਔਰ ਜਸਟ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬਿਜਲੀ ਖਰੀਦੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹ ਐਗਜ਼ੋਰਬਿਟੈਂਟ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪੀਪੀਏ ਸਾਈਨ ਕੀਤੇ ਉਹ ਨਲ ਐਂਡ ਵੋਇਡ करार दिते जान.
All the while, no one in the party's top brass came to Amrinder's help. They neither asked Sidhu to tone down his attacks, nor asked him to have a dialogue with Amrinder. The writing on the wall was clear. The MLAs rallied behind Sidhu. Amrinder was forced to quit the chief ministerial post.
मैं अपने आप को मैं समझता हूँ कि मेरे ऊपर कोई एलिमेंट ऑफ डाउट है कि मैं चला नहीं सका या कोई बात हुई, पर आई फील ह्यूमिलिएटेड कि जिस तरीके से ये बात हुई है.
Once Amrinder stepped down, Sidhu pushed for the chief ministerial post. This time, he wasn't lucky enough. The Congress High Command picked Charanjit Singh Channi as the Chief Minister ahead of Sidhu. The former cricketer also couldn't have his say in ministry allocation. Sidhu has once again raised the stakes by submitting his resignation to Sonia Gandhi. Will the Gandhis indulge him further and thrash out a truce? Given their experience with Sidhu, this time the first family of Congress will be wary. Bureau Report, India Today.
The uneasy truce between Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu was ditched after Captain's resignation from the Chief Minister's post. But now Sidhu's resignation from the post of Congress Chief has now created a fresh trouble for the Gandhis. Here's more on the feud that has plunged Punjab Congress into an absolute state of chaos.
The signs were there from the beginning. Exactly a month ago, as Navjot Singh Sidhu was appointed the chief of the Punjab Congress Committee, he touched everyone's feet on stage but snubbed Captain Amrinder Singh, while the two Sardars publicly put on a united front.
ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਵਧਾਈ ਹੋਏ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਜੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਾਰੋਬਾਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਗਲੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦਾ ਚਲਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਸੋਨੀਆ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਹੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਦਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰ ਝੁਕਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਔਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਾਂਗੇ।